Welcome to Air Fryer February 2026. Now, Monday through Friday for the next 2 weeks, different collaborators will be posting fantastic entrees, side dishes, and desserts that you can make in your air fryer. You know, in this household, we have 2 air fryers actually. I have the Typhur Dome 2 and the Typhur Sync Air Fryer. And believe it or not, sometimes I'm using them both for a dinner, making an entree in one and a side dish in another. And I almost feel sorry for our double ovens. The only time I'm really using them is when we have a big family get-together, like at holidays. Otherwise, we generally are cooking, baking, roasting in our air fryers. And this is the new Typhur Sync Air Fryer. It's fantastic. It's the only air fryer that has a wireless temperature probe that you put right in your meat. So it's always going to be cooked to perfection. And some lucky viewer and commenter will win one of these Typhur Sync Air Fryers. So big thanks to Typhur for sponsoring this giveaway. And believe me, whoever wins it is going to love it. So here's a picture of a whole roasted chicken that I made in the Typhur Sync Air Fryer. Oh, the skin was so nice and crispy and the inside so juicy. And the same with this pork roast I made. I mean, it takes little thought. It does it all for me. So this is a fantastic air fryer. And what makes it great is one of you is going to win the Typhur Sync Air Fryer. So all you have to do is watch the videos and comment. And then one random comment will be picked, and that lucky viewer will win the Air Fryer Sync. And we'll send it right to your home. Just be sure, watch the February 20th drawing when we draw the lucky winner. And you don't want to miss a single Air Fryer February 2026 video. So I have a schedule of all the videos that are being posted down below, right in the description. Maybe you can't wait. You want to buy a Typhur Air Fryer right now. Well, I have this discount code you can use, Prepper10, and I have the links also down below for purchasing either the Dome 2 or the Typhur Sync Air Fryer. So I found a 4-pound turkey breast on sale, and I thought, let's have that for dinner. And believe me, it made a great dinner, and we had tasty sandwiches for days after. So let me show you how easy it is to make this turkey breast in my Typhur Sync Air Fryer. It turned out crispy and succulent inside, and I made a side dish in the Typhur Dome 2 air fryer. Yep, crispy smashed potatoes. So let's get started. Well, we're going to prepare the potatoes first. So we want to salt our water. And we've cleaned our potatoes. You want smaller potatoes. These are yellow potatoes. I can never find anything that says Yukon Gold anymore, but it does say yellow. So the water was up to boiling, but when I put the potatoes in there, it's not quite boiling. So we want to get it back up to boiling, and then we're going to take maybe about 20 to 30 minutes in the salted boiling water and do some fork test and make sure it's fork tender, and then these will be done boiling. Okay, we're doing the fork test. Definitely tender. Time to drain the potatoes. Now I like to pat them dry a bit before I actually smash them. I think that makes them crispier. So this 4-pound turkey breast was on sale, so that's what we're going to use. Now time to mix our spice rub. It's very flavorful, but it's not spicy hot at all. It just really adds to the flavor of the turkey. So here are our spices. I've mixed them together. We have a 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1 tablespoon paprika, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika. 1/2 tablespoon crushed black pepper, 1/2 tablespoon kosher salt, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, and 1/2 teaspoon mustard powder, along with 1/4 teaspoon cayenne powder. Okay, so we want about 1/2 teaspoon of oil. That looks pretty good. And we're just going to mix that all in. Okay, and then we're going to start putting in some of these spices. Spread it real well and turn it over. Do another little oil. Put some more spices in here. That smells good. Now let's turn it over again. Yep. And let's just put the rest of these on here, okay? Okay, ready for the air fryer. So I've placed it skin side down. I have the temperature probe inserted. Okay, we're gonna put it on air fryer. We got it at 360. We got the probe in. So we're gonna push start. And we want that probe to get up to 158 because it will get to a higher temperature when you take it out. It still cooks a bit. So when this gets to be 113 degrees Fahrenheit, we're gonna take it out and flip the turkey. Now, the secret to getting moist turkey is getting it to the right temperature, but not overcooking. And that's where the Typhur Sync Air Fryer really shines. It can take anywhere from an hour to an hour and a half to cook your turkey breast in your air fryer. It took me about an hour and 15 minutes. Okay, it's time to flip our turkey breast. We want the skin side facing up. Okay, we're gonna put it back in the air fryer till it reaches that 158 degrees. So it's back in the air fryer. We're just waiting till this number equals this number. So while our turkey breast is cooking, let's get started on smashing those potatoes. We wanna smash our potatoes. So put one here. I'm just using glass. The thinner you make them, the crispier they'll get. Okay, that's pretty good. Let's do another one. And then our last one right here. Have them. Now we're going to add some salt. A little seasoned pepper. One more thing. Just using some olive oil spray. Now they're ready. Put this back in our air fryer. We've set the air fryer at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I put 30 minutes, but I am going to check after 15 and then at 20 and then at 25 to see if they are the crispiness I want. Looking pretty good, but I think I'm going to wait another 5 minutes. These look perfect. Let's dish them up. Now, before I serve those smashed potatoes, I like to brush on a little melted butter and a little more salt. It gives it such a crunchy, savory flavor. Take a little bite. There we go. And that look nice and crispy. Crispy, yet creamy in the center. These are delicious. Here it is. We have a nice crisp crust. We're gonna just let it sit for 10 minutes and then cut into it. Here we have a slice, nice and moist. Time to eat. I mean, it's just so easy to cook perfectly every time in this air fryer. I really find it amazing. Okay, this was a big hit with my husband. Loves the crispy crust and the juicy, juicy meat. Just look at all the juice down there. This was really, really good. Big shout out to Typhur for sponsoring this giveaway. Don't forget to watch each video and comment so you're eligible to win this Typhur Sync Air Fryer. And remember, drawing will be on February 20th. And of course, I'd like to thank the collaborators for Air Fryer February 2026. We got Linda from Linda's Pantry, Angie from the Inquisitive Farm Wife, Remy from Remy's World, Renee from Pike Creek's Farm, and Karen from In the Kitchen with Karen. Thank you for helping to make Air Fryer February 2026 simply amazing. So, I hope you enjoyed Air Fryer 2026, and I've put on a playlist of Air Fryer 2025 so you can enjoy even more air fryer recipes. Thank you.